Hey guys, Nick here, Thrive. If you're inside the AWeber landing page builder and you're wanting to create a top-heavy menu so that you can essentially build out a home page, an about page, a blog, you could link it to a blog reel such as Blogger or a Weebly blog or your Facebook blog reel where you've got your posts all in one section or your Instagram reel. A blog is really just a place where you put all your writing and your content. It doesn't have to be an SEO'd WordPress site. If you're not going for SEO and you're wanting to build out a content site that's mostly on social media and then you send people to your website or whatever way you're putting it together, this is a way to create a top-heavy menu um, using the AWeber small business landing page. So you wouldn't want to have any more than three menu items and then a main menu item, such as a call to action. Um, So the way you put this one together is the logo will change in size depending on this column here, which you can drag out a little bit until it's appropriate, so it gets the logo size and the size that you want here. But what you're using is a template from the small business, and here's what you want to copy. So when you click the row at the top, what you can do is change the background color. So I've just selected one of the recently used colors. Once you've selected the color, it's going to switch the background to that, and it gives you that feeling of a menu. Um, Now, for this one, I've got 6 columns. So I've got a column here for the ebook, one for blog, one for about, one for home, one in the middle to create a gap, and then one for the logo. And so what I did was I grabbed the last column here by clicking in there um, when you're inside the row. So you want to click row and then number 6 when you click that there, and then you can press add left or add right. Same as this column here. If I click this one here where the blog is, sometimes you got to click a couple of times to get it to stick. But so it's highlighted number 5 here. Now I can't add any left or right because I've maxed out the amount of columns that the editor allows you to build. But you can see here the column alignment is centered. It keeps the writing in the center. Um, and then in terms of the writing itself, just under here, just centerize it as well. I use the font 18 size. I just use source. I didn't change the font itself for this menu based on the small business landing page template from AWeber. I didn't change anything in the appearance, but in the spacing here, I ticked individual sides, and I believe it was on one of these rows here. What I did was the spacing for the spacing selection. I believe it was 40/40. There you go. So when you click individual sides, just edit the top and the bottom to 40/40, and it gives you that space at the top, space at the bottom for the header. And then just copy the text. So free ebook, blog, about, home. You don't have to use those pages. You could put anything else you wanted there. And then essentially that's how you create an AWeber menu um, header. And you can see here, looks really good on desktop. And you can edit just about as much as you want. So it looks great on desktop. Um, Looks great. It looks pretty good on the mobile view. I don't really see any problems there at all. The spacing looks pretty good. The sizing's pretty good. Just swap out your logo and and the color for your branding, and you're good to go. Comment below if this video has been helpful. Let me know if there's any other customizations to AWeber's landing pages you'd like, or any questions about digital marketing, Facebook ads, and so on. Let me know, and I'll put together another video for you. Thanks for watching.